Let's take a look at your forecast here on this Wednesday across the area. Expect to see plenty of sunshine across northwest Florida. After some clouds during the morning hours, we'll see sunshine through the afternoon hours and temperatures climbing up into the mid 50s. Now, it's going to be cold again tonight, dropping down into the 20s and 30s across our area. One thing to note, the reason why it's a little bit warmer today is notice our winds are going to briefly turn a little bit onshore with a little bit of a westerly wind, which for us is a warmer wind. And so as a result, we'll see temperatures climbing up into the mid 50s today, which will feel like summer compared to where we've been. As we head into your Thursday, winds turn more out of the east and then eventually the south as our next weather maker comes in on Friday, and we'll see a little bit of a warm up and a little bit more moisture begin to creep into the forecast briefly. High temperatures for today climbing up into the middle 50s. Low temperatures tonight still cold, 20s inland, 30s along the coastline. Most likely most of us avoiding a freeze at the beaches, but you won't have to move but a few miles inland to see temperatures drop down into the 20s. High temperatures Thursday will climb up into the mid to upper 50s. So again, several days of 50s in the forecast. I got one chance of rain. That's going to be on Friday with our next weather maker, which will actually be the leading or beginning part of a big weather maker for the eastern part of the United States. But for us, we'll bring just a few spritzes of rainfall across northwest Florida. So we had a few clouds this morning. We see high pressure build in on Thursday, a few more cirrus clouds across our area. Moisture begins to stream in as we head into Friday. And then look at this. As we head into Friday evening, Friday overnight, we see some showers, and our model even tries to develop a few flurries across our area. We will see. It's definitely an outlier. But some of the other models earlier in the week said there was a possibility of some snow pretty deep into the south. And this system will develop into a snow producer as it moves off the east coast. So something to watch, but it's important to note that this again is an outlier and it would only be a few flakes of flying. Everything clears out. It turns windy and cold as we head into the weekend. GFS model, I show you this because again, what do you see here as we head into Friday? Just green on the map, just some showers, and then everything clears out. So again, I won't get too excited about it, but it is out there, and so we keep hoping, I guess you could say. Here's a look at your rainfall totals. Don't expect much over the next 7 days. We're probably talking about hundredths of an inch. Here's that 7-day forecast. Again, the next few days will be better. We'll be mainly into the 50s. Meanwhile, look at what happens Saturday. 30s for highs, barely into the 40s on Sunday, a little warmer next week, but all in all, the forecast remains quite frigid for the week ahead.